Okay, let's do this. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, today we are in the newest giveaway car from 8080. This is Dream Car Giveaway 28, if you can believe it. We've given away more cars than that. I think that would make it like 30 because we've done 2 giveaways with 2 cars. But today we're in a 2010 Nissan GTR, and this thing is clean. So again, this car's a 2010. It's spec'd to the premium package, and today we're gonna go over a few of just the clean and simple modifications we've done to this car to give it a good balance between looks and power. So starting with looks, one of the things you may notice is the lower trim. So that's typically like a darker gray. That's been paint matched. So again, we're going for that clean and simple daily driver look, and I think that nails it. So this car's on a set of BC Racing coilovers and Strass R10 wheels. We've got 20 by 10 up front, 20 by 12 in the rear. The car feels super planted. If you've ever been on BC Racing coilovers, they feel really, really nice. We love working with Strass. We love the R10s. It's one of Strass's forged monoblock designs, and it's got a really nice, deep, concave look to it. One of my favorite things about GTRs is the downshifts. Like just... so crispy. So crispy. So this car's on... We've done like, I don't know, 5, maybe 6 GTRs at this point. They never get old. GTRs are really like the perfect daily driver, in my opinion. Especially like we're out here in Utah, and we have tons. We have a full 4-season year where we get snow. It's hot. It's fall and cold. Roads are wet, and then they're dry, and then they're snowy. The GTR, with as sophisticated as this all-wheel drive system is, and this wide tire setup, it's just beastly for each and every season that we have here in Utah. And not to mention, it's got heated seats. And one of the 8080 signature things that we love for GTRs, we love the SBD 700 kit. Again, one of those things that is just like the perfect amount of power for a daily driver in a GTR. That's gonna net you somewhere around 600 to 625 wheel horsepower, a proven 9-second quarter mile, and very simple bolt-ons. So of course, on the SBD 700 kit, we've got a 4-inch exhaust from the downpipes all the way back, 3-inch intakes up front, Bosch 1050cc injectors, and it's running custom tune on the Cobb access port for management. I mean, if you don't have a GTR, you need one. I think you'd agree with me on that. Check this out. Ready? Downshifts. Oof. And back on. There it is. And again, I've talked about this before. The GTR has such a presence on the road. It's one of those cars that has like, I mean, especially like in the back, just those iconic rear taillights. This is the car from those memes where it's like, when you have a business meeting at 10, but a car show at 10:30, it'll get you to both, and you'll look good doing it. So again, we're giving away this GTR with $30,000 in cash. There's nobody else out there that does that. So if you want to feel what it's like to be behind the wheel of a GTR, and not just any GTR, but a 625 wheel horsepower, 9-second quarter mile GTR, then head over to 8080.com. You can pick out any product there. It'll get you automatically entered to win. Pick up something simple like a shirt, that's 30 entries. Shoot, pick up something even like a keychain. You spend like $5-10 bucks. All of those things are gonna get you entered to win this exact Nissan GTR that we're driving right now, me and you, and the $30,000 in cash. So thank you guys so much for watching. So we put out a new video every single day, and we've had well over 60 past winners. And each of them was just like you. They came across a video just like this one. They decided to head over to 8080.com. They got entered, and now they have the car of their dreams. Thank you so much for watching. We really, really appreciate your support. But that will about do it for this video. We'll see you guys in the next one.